Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something really important, which is the face mask, which is really important now because of the COVID-19. It's really important to wear a good face mask while going out of the house, and I always make sure I wear one before stepping out of the house. Even for 5 minutes I wear one face mask because I don't want to get some kind of virus, or I don't want to spread. So it's better to protect yourself and others. It's better to wear a face mask, guys. So make sure whenever you go out of the house you wear one good face mask. So I am wearing this mask from the brand, from the not from the brand, but N95 and 3mm mask, which are really good and which protects, which has been recommended by the government to wear for COVID-19. But if you're looking for something for daily use, for and you're bored of wearing the same colors and the same print or same fabric, so I have recently gone to Chumbak and I got this face mask. This is for 795 rupees, and you get 5 different color and different different color and different design of face mask. I somehow I was passing by and just saw this showroom, and I just went inside. And when I saw these, and I was really attracted because I am bored of wearing the same white, yellow, black face mask. So I thought of trying this one, and this is for 795. It's really a good deal. Even both men and women can wear this mask. It comes in a pouch like this, and this is for 795. You get 5 colors. These are cotton, 100% cotton. These are reusable and washable face mask, and I really like the color combination, and I thought of trying this out. So I'll just show you how it looks like. This is the first color. This is blue with some flower print on it. I really like the texture. It's very thick, and it's very comfortable on the face. It's not tight or something. This elastic is not that tight, which will bother you. You just have to wear this mask and you're good to go, and it covers your half face very nicely. This is the first one. The second one is my favorite. This is the red color. I really like this one. It is really pretty. It has some yellow and brown, blue combination on the mask. And this is the third one. This is blue and pink combination. It's really nice. The fourth one is pretty nice. This is green with kind of little bit of greenish combination. I really like this one as well. And this is the last one. This is blue with some pink background. So these are the 5 masks you're getting. And what the brand says about this product, let me just read a bit. It says it's 100% cotton, and it's been the 3-layer triple particle filtration and absorbent system, which is perfect for outdoor companion. The first layer is 100% cotton. The second layer is barrier filter layer, and the third one is bio wash soft fabric absorbent layer. This is what it says. It says 100% cotton, and it's reusable, and it is washable, and and the quality is really good, guys, and you will really like the color combination. It's really cool. I really like it, and I'll recommend this one. If you're looking for something in different color combination, different fabric, I really recommend this, and I am enjoying this one, and you can use it on daily basis. And they have 5, so you can wear on daily basis. You can keep changing, not wearing the same one. You can try, one day you can wear this one, the second day you can wear this one, so you can keep changing the mask. So it really covers till your eyes, and it's really good. And yeah, so overall I am really enjoying wearing this mask, and these are really cool masks. If you're looking for something for daily use, and something which you can wear it on daily basis, and you're bored of wearing the same white, black and yellow face mask, you can give this face mask a try. And these are unisex, even men can wear it. It's really good quality, guys. I'm not promoting this brand or something. I happened to go and to this shop, and I got this mask, and I thought of sharing with you guys because I know how I was feeling when I used to wear every time the same white, yellow and black mask. And when I saw these, I really got really happy, and I thought of trying this out. And the quality is really good. It's thick. It will protect you, and others as well, because you're wearing a good mask. It will cover your whole face completely, little your eyes, and it is not at all uncomfortable. It's very comfortable. After you put it below your behind your ear, you're good to go. You don't have to keep adjusting your mask, and it's really good, and it's washable, which is really good. You can keep washing after a couple of usage. I have not washed them till now, but I'm gonna wash them. So I'm not gonna use it in washing machine or something. They have not written anything whether it can be washed in washing machine or something, but I think because of the color combination and the this can fade a bit, so it's better we wash it with hand. Just take some soap and just brush it off and just dry it off, and you're good to go. And I'm not gonna do the same thing because I don't want to, spoil the color, and I don't want to become the color to become, lighter or something. I want it to be in this same color, so I'm gonna wash it with my hand. And yeah, so overall a good face mask for both men and women, and I'm really enjoying this, and I recommend this face mask if you're looking for other fabric face mask for yourself. And yeah, so this is Chumbak is the Indian brand, guys, and you all know Chumbak has varieties of product. Like they have products in skincare, they have accessories, they have mobile accessories, they have clothes, they have footwear and all that. So I really like this brand. This is an Indian brand, and I think we should all use products from Indian brands. I'm supporting this let's be vocal for local, guys. And I am really enjoying this face mask. I know I must have told at least 4 to 5 times that I'm enjoying, but I'm really happy with this face mask, and I'm supporting vocal for local, guys. Even you guys support the same thing. Buy stuff from Indian brands. Our Indian brands are also really good, and I'm not saying you should not try other country brands, but you should support our Indian brand as well. So let's be vocal for local. And if you're looking for a good face mask, I really recommend this face mask. And yeah, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.